What's up guys, the Airsoft here. Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing with my fucking thumbs burned to a degree because of super glue. Yeah, watch out for super glue, man. So anyway, this is today's the WELL Pro the WE23-S. This is I think Sportline or whatever. Anyway, that's a minigun from, you know, those guys, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna, so you know, really black box, you know, nothing, no surround more in there. That's it. I'm gonna open it. So migration UST set between 380 and 400 FPS. That's cool. So you know, you have like your manual and an exploding diagram. That's really cool to know how it works. But I don't know if I'm gonna open it because you know, there's probably, you know, if you play with it, you might be running into some timing issue with those barrels and all that stuff. So yeah, but that's really cool. So now, yeah, let's check the accessories. So you have I think this is M-lock, but you know, it's flat on there, so I don't know where it goes. But you have two rails, you have a pack of BBs, you have little plastic caps, you have an adapter for the Insutamiya, and you have the beast itself. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was bigger than that, you know, like this is my hand, right? So, you know, it's not big, man, it's super small, but man, it feels great, man. Ah yeah, man, you can feel that micro switch. Okay, just gonna, so there's no cleaning rod, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I already looked at a video on it. I know a little bit how it works. So, you know, basically you have the safety and you have fire. So this is micro switch. You can hold it like this, you know. Yeah, have a lot of fun. So anyway, so you have a built-in magazine. You know, you just remove that cap, you fill that with babies, screw it back, and that's it, you know, and you can see how many babies you have left in there, so that's cool. Right here under, that's your battery compartment, so now you can put some really nice batteries in there, I'm not gonna lie. Do I have the batteries? Yeah, I have the batteries in there. So this is Airsoft Logic 11.1 1450, and those are 3060C. So you know, this is 3-cell right battery, you know, great stuff, a lot of power and all that stuff. And I'm gonna try to put it in there, and you know what, fit there, no problem. What the fuck? Oh yeah, that's really good. You know, the battery compartment is really, it's really good. So there we go. Watch that, snatch that guy right there, bro. That's crazy. Can we just, yeah, why not? Okay, that's fucking great, man. Holy moly. Yeah, that's good. So by the way, you know, right there under you have your up adjustment. As you can see, that's a 0 up, and you know, each barrel have individual up. So you know, and you can turn it by hand, but you know, right now I have a battery and all that stuff. So and when you turn it by hand, it shoots. So if you have BBs in there, it's gonna shoot a BB, right? Because basically your motor just make that guy spin, and inside there's you know, like a plastic wedge like that. So you know, it goes like that, and when it goes up behind, it release. So you know, it shuts the shot. So you know, basically it's, you know, a really simple mechanism, and should last for quite some time. But man, that's absolutely insane. So yeah, so you know, I'm not gonna lie, it felt really sturdy. You have a sling point here and here, and you know, it's all plastic. It's not too heavy but not too light at the same time, you know. That's pretty good. It's really front heavy because of those, you know, massive cannons and all that stuff, but you know, there's no gearbox in there, there's nothing, you know. So yeah, I'm really I like that guy, to be honest. So you know, I'm gonna start the video. I'm gonna put BBs in there, some .20, and I'm gonna try to Chrono it. Just start the Chrono. I'm gonna start it again just so you can see it's on .2, so you know it should give us some joules. It's really awkward to try to align that guy in and film at the same time, but I'm gonna try to do my best. Yeah, 188. That's not it's not what we want to see. Yeah, so it shoots around 200 feet per second. 240. Yeah, so that's a 400 FPS version. My ass, bro. I think I hit my Chrono a lot. Yeah, so by the way, we're at like 240 FPS, man. That's some big bullshit, man. 380 400, my ass, bro. God damn. That's such a rip of that gun, man. Wow. Okay. Well, let's try to see if we can Chrono some RPS. 30 rounds per second, right? 29.9. Bro, it goes crazy, man. It moves and all that stuff. Okay, I'm stopping that. Yeah, so you know, the FPS are around 240 round per FPS. So you know, I don't think it's gonna have a lot of range and you know, all that stuff. Maybe some timing issue, but yeah. And I shut my screen, man. No, my Chrono. Yep. Rip Chrono. God damn. That sucks. Yep, but I did try to Chrono that guy, but god damn, bro. I mean, that thing's crazy though, man. Look at that. Yup. Yeah, that's crazy, but you know, there's no way that's 380 400 rounds per second, right? Feet per second, you know. 30 rounds per second, 29.9, you know, that's pretty much what we got here. I have around 100 BBs catch around, so I let you guys go, but you know, yeah, really low FPS, man. Really low FPS. That's some bullshit, man.
So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the Airsoft Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.